And cutting across to live visuals, Nitish Kumar casting his vote at Raj Bhavan polling booth on your television screens. Live images of the same Nitish Kumar at the polling booth. Minutes from now, he will be casting his vote at Raj Bhavan polling station. We keep up with the live visuals, the live updates coming in. Phase 2 of Bihar elections. You have 94 constituencies across 17 districts that are going to polls today. An extremely crucial phase because you have the fate of the Yadav brothers also that will be decided. Both Tejashvi Yadav and Tej Pratap who are contesting in these elections. But on your television screens, Nitish Kumar at Raj Bhavan polling booth to cast his vote. And we keep up with all the live images and inputs coming in. Remember, in the last election, RJD, JDU and Congress combined, the Grand Alliance back then, bagged 70 of the 90 of these 94 seats. Things have changed this time around. The alliances have also switched. Interesting contest that we're looking at today as far as the key players are concerned. You have Tejashvi Yadav, who is fighting on Raghopur seat. He is pitted against Satish Kumar Yadav. And as far as Nitish Kumar's latest updates are concerned, Prakash is also with us. Prakash, Nitish Kumar casting his vote at Raj Bhavan polling booth. What more can you tell us? We'll get back to Prakash in just a bit, but remember, as we keep up with these visuals, it is phase 2 of Bihar elections. Also, Prime Minister Modi, who will be addressing 2 rallies in the state. He will be concluding his campaign blitz today itself in the state of Bihar. The verdict will be out on 10th of November, but an extremely crucial phase that we're looking at today. The voting began at 7 a.m. this morning. Several key voters lining up, casting their vote. And as we speak, Nitish Kumar, those visuals on your television screens at Raj Bhavan polling station. An important day really because we're looking at NDA, the Mahagathbandhan and the LJP, several of those key players from all 3 sides who are contesting on several crucial seats. Bankipur, Janjarpur, we have Raghopur also. And Prakash is also with us live, tracking all of those details for us. Prakash, over to you. What more can you tell us?
Well, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, before going for poll campaigning today, because Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also slated to address 2 rallies, and he's come here to cast his vote along with his son. This is for the second time that Nitish Kumar would be casting his vote. Earlier, he used to cast his vote in Bakhtiarpur. And here we have Nitish Kumar stepping out of booth along with the security cordon, and this is a very crucial election for the NDA, keeping in mind the fact that the NDA is contesting on all the seats, and it's a strong hold for the JDU BJP combined, we can say that. And it's a very crucial phase of elections, keeping in mind the fact that the EBC voters and the Mahadalit voters have a very strong hold. Over here, there we can see Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar is stepping out of the polling booth and will be headed directly towards the
एक बार नीतीश जी एक बार जनता से अपील कर दीजिए सभी बाहर निकलें। सर एक बार दिखा दीजिए सर। दिखा दीजिए सर। तो
So there we have Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, after casting his vote, is on way to the airport for poll campaigning, and after that he will be joining Prime Minister Narendra Modi and would be addressing rallies at two places in different parts of Bihar. And this is a very crucial phase of election, keeping in mind the fact that the NDA has its stronghold. In 2010 assembly elections, the NDA had won 82 seats out of these 94 seats, and the EBC and the Mahadalits holds important significance, who are the main voters of the JDU. So this is a very crucial phase of election, keeping in mind the fact that the NDA has its stronghold. And Tejasvi Yadav has also attacked and counter-attacked on Nitish Kumar as well as Chirag Paswan. The Nitish Kumar saying that he doesn't care who is speaking what. In my interview yesterday, said that they're all doing it for publicity, and the people of Bihar do not want Jungle Raj back. Back to you.